we'll have a little tour of what's left. 2 suitcases, bits and pieces. In the spare room we've got nothing. These are essentials that I might still need, I don't know yet. I can't quite take them away or chuck them away or dispose of them yet. My drill's going to my dad's. That's for the air fryer that's going to my mum's. That's probably going to my mum's as well. Pasting table, ain't got a clue. But that's done. The carpets. All the carpets are now. Chloe's room still stays the same. Kitchen. Hopefully it's not a mess. No, it isn't. I've painted. Shut the door. Painted. Very dirty, Tony, but I'll move that. They are coming to replace, finally, to replace the front door on the 3rd, which is in 2 days. I've been waiting 8 years for a fire door, but I've had to pay for it, which is a bit stupid, but you know. Anyway, they're doing that on then. The hallway is all done, and this is where I live, in this area. My bedroom is still like an absolute bomb site. Bathroom still looks like it comes out of the 80s, but you know, or 70s. I've still got to put the toilet roll holder up. Everything's been painted, cleaned, I suppose. What's in there in cupboard? Nothing, just a printer. I'm waiting for more printer cartridges to come because I've got a lot of documents I've got to print off. Would you believe those 2 walls are different colours because I ran out of paint? Timing, everything down the line, timing has been absolutely perfect with absolutely everything. There's been nothing gone wrong. There's been no real major hiccups. And this is probably the first thing in my life that I have ever done that has gone to plan. So far, lying down, listening to nice music, thinking of the future, and thinking of being in paradise on my motorbike and not in this shitty cold weather, that's for sure. We are getting, well, I am getting very close. Very, very close. Still a bit of a shit tip in here, but it's slowly getting there. This room I'm going to do tomorrow because the front door's been replaced tomorrow, so I'm going to be stuck in here. That shredder has shredded about 300 or 400 sheets. Oh dear. Been in here. I've been cleaning. I've got all the paint off the carpet. It's all the paperwork that I need. Suitcase is sorted. That's actually got all my stuff in it, that one. But I'm going to need that one for my crash helmet, and I'm probably going to split it all between the 2. I'm in a bit of pain at the minute. I don't know what I can leave, you see. When she comes round on, well, not tomorrow, the next day, whatever day it is, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, when she comes round, she'll tell me what I can and can't leave. You know, I mean, obviously the washing machine's staying. I've even cleaned the tray, cleaned the tumble dryer. The oven, I want to leave the oven. I want to leave the kettle. I want to leave that. The coffee thing. And the tea. No, I'll take the tea. I want to leave the 2 settees, but I don't know if I can. You know, they may have to come and bloody dispose of them. I ain't got a bloody clue. I'm tired now. I don't mean, you know, tired like I've had no sleep, although I didn't really sleep very well last night. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it all. I've just got one more room to do, and then I've got to do a mass clean up tomorrow. It's all going to be done tomorrow. And then she'll come round and say, yes, it's worth $750,000. I'm doing my will as well. I've got to do a will. I've never done one before. I'm just leaving everything to Chloe. So Chloe's going to be the benefactor and the executor of the will. So she'll just have to come over to the UK. I've given her all the bank account details, every account I've got, and she'll just need to put it. It won't even have to go through probate, I don't think, because it's just cash. So she can just come over and claim it, get my death certificate, and say, there you go, and then I'll be happy. I've done my job. I will be happy. I won't be happy to die. I'm not afraid of dying. I won't be happy to die, but I'll be happy knowing that I've done what I said I was going to do, which is leave everything to Chloe.